In this video, we will talk about WordPress plugins and some of the ones we recommend. Also, we'll install plugins that we'll use across the tutorials in order to create our own website from scratch. Before we start creating a website from scratch, we need to install a couple of plugins. To better understand, plugins are here to extend the WordPress functionality. You have plugins that can secure your website, improve your website speed, help you create a website with ease, like page builders, and so on. Please note that these plugins are what I recommend from my own experience. You can find other opinions on the internet, and of course, it is always best to research the plugin you're about to install before you install it. What I do is I visit the plugin's WordPress page and check for reviews and compatibility. Check if the plugin developers are updating it regularly and so on. For example, if we visit Elementor's WordPress page, this is what we can see. We can see the version of the plugin, when it was latest updated, active installation, WordPress version, tested up to, meaning WordPress version, PHP version, and so on. And most importantly, ratings. In this case, this plugin has a good rating, and also it is regularly updated, which is very important. So by checking these details, we can know if we should install it or not. Now, in this video, we'll install the following plugins. Elementor as a page builder, Lightspeed for caching, WordFence for security, WPS hide login for hiding the default WP admin extension, meaning this, and Yoast SEO, obviously for SEO. We won't get into details about these plugins, but you will learn on the go. The first one on the list is the Elementor page builder. So hover over plugins and click add new plugin. In the search bar, search for Elementor. Click Install Now. Click Activate. You might be redirected to the Setup wizard, which you can skip for now. Next plugin on the list is the Lightspeed for caching. Add new plugin. Search for Lightspeed. Click Install Now. Click Activate. The next one on the list is the WordFence security. Click Install Now and click Activate. You should see the pop-up that will give you the option to generate a license or to add an existing one. Choose to generate a new license and follow the instruction. So you should receive an email with the license key. Since we'll focus more on building a website, you can check in-depth tutorials about WordFence on YouTube. But by leaving it as it is, you're secured enough. Next plugin we need to install is the WPS hide login. So click Add New Plugin. Search for WPS hide login. This is the one that we need to install. It says change wplogin.php to anything you want, meaning you can change this extension to whatever you like. Click Install Now and click Activate. Now you can find this plugin under Settings, WPS hide login. Now, by changing this URL extension or the login URL extension, you'll be hiding WP admin extension. Please be sure to write or memorize the extension in order to access your website. If you cannot remember the extension, you'll have to manually disable plugin from the website folder. For now, I'll leave it as it is. The last plugin on the list is the Yoast SEO. So hover over plugins, add new plugin, and search for Yoast SEO. This is the one. Click Install Now. Click Activate. You'll be redirected to the Yoast SEO screen where you can choose to configure the plugin or skip. You can configure it right now because it is a pretty straightforward process, so just follow the instructions. These are the plugins that I recommend you install on each website you create. We will use these plugins across our website. That way you can learn more about them. In our next tutorial, we will explain more about Elementor Page Builder. As mentioned at the beginning of this video, we'll use these plugins to create a website from scratch, so stay tuned. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon.